babies. Your Reena ma'am here? Yes. Today we are going to do letter T. Ta say tatera. Tatera means a potter. Okay, one who is making pots. Before that, before doing this letter, let's do a recap. So starts from K. Okay, K, K, G, G, Ng. And the next word starts with Ch. Ch, Ch, J, J, Nya. And the third row starts with T. Okay? And today we are going to learn letter T. This is T. The next one is Th. This is Th. So babies, Ta say tatera. Who is tatera? A potter, right? Now see this picture. This is your Ta. Okay. And he is a potter. He is making a pot. See, it's very easy to remember, right? Right? Ta say tatera. And tatera is making a pot. Okay, babies? Now just look at the board and I'll show you how to write T in your notebook. And see the notebook? Okay, can you see that? Yes. Now see this. See here. I'll show you how to write T. A small standing line. Okay, from here. From red line to half of it and a circle touching the second blue line. Okay. And a sleeping line on top of it. This is Ta say tatera. Okay, you should write the same way which I have shown here. Right? Now all of you write your notebook and show me. Okay, babies? Bye bye.